In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify to add a new payment method to your online store. Setting up your store to accept payments is a crucial step in launching and maintaining a successful e-commerce business. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to go to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is essentially the heart of your operations, where you manage everything related to your store. If you're new to this, you can access your admin dashboard by logging into your Shopify account. Once inside, you'll find yourself at the Home section. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't already. The interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Now, let's move on to configuring your store settings. Direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and look for the Settings option. Clicking on this brings you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your store. Here, we're focusing on setting up payment methods so customers can easily pay for their orders. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the Payments section. This is where you set up and manage payment providers, gateway connections, and more. Click on Payments, and you'll be redirected to a dedicated page containing all the options available to you. Now, onto the exciting part, adding a new payment method. You'll see an option that says Add Payment Method. Go ahead and click on that. This is your opportunity to choose from a variety of payment providers that Shopify supports. Whether you're looking to set up credit card processing, direct bank transfers, or integrate popular payment gateways like PayPal, this is the step where you make those selections. Take some time to review each option carefully. Consider factors such as transaction fees, compatibility with your target market, and customer preferences. You'll want to ensure that your choice aligns with your business needs. Once you've made your decision, follow the prompts to complete the integration. Each payment provider might require different information, but Shopify guides you through the entire process, so you can rest assured that you're on the right track. And that's it for today's guide. You've learned how to navigate your way through Shopify's admin panel, access the settings, and add a payment method to ensure your store is ready to take on sales. Remember, setting up your payment options effectively can enhance the shopping experience for your customers and increase your store's credibility. If you encounter any issues, Shopify's support page is a great resource for additional help. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck with your Shopify store.